Go!
Oh, hey. I just finished up race. Were you hoping for a kitty?
No.
Well, kitty's supposed to be here. Let me go get her.
I'm gonna run while I still can. I ran while I still could. Thank goodness. Walking around the Christmas tree on the Dairy Queen. I have no idea what she's saying. What the fuck is she saying?
I'm here.
Run for your lives!
I'm here. Everyone's waiting for me. Oh, look, shiny. Oh. Open, close. Open, close.
What the poop? I'm scared. Curiosity killed the cat, so go be curious.
Hey, what is this? Could it be a... No, let's read it. Could it be
Not
a...
again.
Dude pan? Oh, you're right. That's a car.
How about a video game?
It's a car.
Play Mario, go! Play Sonic the Hedgehog, go! Play Amy Rose in that car is Sonic, go!
I don't get it.
Oh my gosh, wow.
I don't know who that
You are no true Sonic fan.